recipe actually called for all-purpose, but I am very, very much a fan of the Swan's cake flour, and my cakes come out perfect every time I use it. I'm gonna add a little bit more 7-Up, guys. Absolutely beautiful. It looks so fluffy. It's starting to look like puffs of clouds. Now, because I have lemon and lime, I'm gonna go ahead and zest this. I'm gonna let that mix for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the zest real quick here while that's happening. This lemon zest smells so good, y'all. So beautiful. Food is beautiful. Food is art, people. If you make it art, it's art. And the smell of this lemon with the smell of that cake is amazing. I wish I could share the smell with you because it smells so good. Now, the recipe actually does not call for lemon zest. Neither does it call for lime zest. But because it is citrus-based flavored, and I have lemon and lime, I have it so that it could actually add texture to the cake because it is a 7-Up cake. And it will be able to enhance the taste of the cake because you'll be able to have that extract bring the flavors out of the zest that I have here. So when you see this, I'm going to show it to you in a second, but when you see this zest, it's quite impressive. Quite impressive. Look at that. That's lemon and lime zest straight from a lemon and a lime. See that? That's lemon and lime zest. And it's absolutely beautiful. It smells so delicious. And it's gonna go in that cake, people. You're gonna fold it in. So it looks like it's smoothed out a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it. See what we got here. Let's see what we have. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. You see that? It's so beautiful. It looks like it's ready, people. It looks like it's ready. Let me do the sides once and then let it continue to mix because I just want to make sure that there's nothing sticking on the sides here. Yeah. You want to make sure that everything's blended. I do see a little flour that fell off in there. We don't want That just sitting unblended. So that's what we're doing here. That tastes good. It's gonna be a delicious cake, guys. I'm not going to blend the zest in. I'm just going to mix it in my hand. I'm going to put that baby in the oven. I am going to do a glaze for it once the cake is made, completely made. And I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it. Okay, so now that we have that done, let's try to get as much of the cake mix off of the paddle. And this is considered a paddle. The last time I baked on this channel chat, I actually used a beater, a large beater for this on the same mixer versus the paddle. The paddle is amazing. It puts more air into the mix and makes it more fluffy. That's what I think, at least. That's what it appears to do. This KitchenAid mixer is the best. I love it. I remember wanting one for a long time, and I finally put some money into it and got me one, and I was so excited when I got it. I was just baking like crazy. And then I put it away, and you know, the family, the kids grow up, the relationships end, and then I found myself by myself and not cooking as much, not baking as much. So I don't bake a lot, but because I'm going to a dinner party, this is what I said I would do and bring for the party, for the dinner. And it's just a Christmas Eve dinner with a family that I'm very close to. Parents, the husband is a father and grandfather and a reverend. He was my reverend Bible study teacher. He was a Bible study teacher over 30 years ago when I first came to Atlanta. So now the wife is a wonderful, wonderful, I call her auntie. She's lovely, love her. So what I'm gonna do now is I have a pan. It is a flute. It is actually 2 pieces. Let me see if I can share this with you. Hold on for a minute. Get this off, put it in the sink. I'm gonna make this mix, kind of let you see. So beautiful, how beautiful it turned out. See that? It's very beautiful. The mixture is thick, not runny. So this is gonna bake very well. So the flute, it's actually 2 pieces. I'm not gonna separate it because it's already greased and floured, but this piece comes out, it lifts up. And so we're gonna bake it in here. And this is helpful so that when the pound cake is done and it's cooled, you can actually lift this or turn it upside down. And when you turn it upside down, this piece comes out with the cake, and this is the outer part that stays, right? Together as one piece. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour. Let's do that. Move this back a little. We're gonna go ahead and pour this batter in this pan. This spatula, as you can see, it literally gets everything up. As you can see, the bowl's almost completely empty now. And I like to get everything in there. It's very buttery, very airy, very light, very lemony smelling. So now that we've done that, I'm going to get this. That's it. That's the cake, folks. And now it's ready to go into the oven. One of the things that I do with my cakes, because cakes are known to have air in them, you gotta sometimes move it around, shake it up a bit, kind of jiggle it, and bounce it off of that countertop to kind of get those air bubbles out. And that's it, folks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fold the zest in. I should have done that before, honestly. I really was supposed to do that before, but I'm not gonna use the spatula because guess what? I forgot to add that. Let's just kind of put it in there like this. That's what we're gonna do. Just gonna mix it in. We're gonna mix it into this batter with the spoon to make sure that it gets into the cake. I don't know how I forgot that, people. I feel like I put flowers in my cake with the zest. It's almost like feeling like the feeling of putting flowers in the cake. It's so light and fluffy and beautiful. And I could see the pieces. So when this cake is baked with that zest blended into the cake, it's gonna really be delightful to taste that while you're enjoying a piece of cake and to be able to maybe even see remnants of it. And I'll do some more zest for the glaze. Let me go on and put this in the oven. How are y'all doing out there, chat? I didn't have coffee this morning. Instead, I had hot chocolate. That's the finished product, guys. It's going in the oven, people. Putting it in right now as we speak. So by 12:15, I'll be taking the cake out of the oven. And that's it. I'm done. The 7-Up cake is not finished, but it is in the process as of right now. I'm going to take the cake out at about 12:15. In between, I'll be checking on it. Probably, I'll give it about a good hour to cook, and then I'll come down and start checking on it. But in the meantime, that was it. I just made a 7-Up cake for a dinner party, and we're gonna see how it turns out. I may come back on later to just show you the cake once it's completed, but we're done. That's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas Eve today. Hopefully I'll be back on later on today. I haven't gotten to my Bible studies videos this week, so hopefully I'll be able to put one out later today or tomorrow. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. There is no Christmas without Christ, and let us never forget that. I hope you have a blessed day. Take care, and I'll check with you later.